Hello, this is part 2 video. In this video we are trying to make simple game for TTGO T-Display board. In first video we created this. If you missed that video, link is in description. So here is simple game. It is still very easy to play and it is very boring. So here is enemy, this red rectangle, and here I have my player. I can move my player using these two push buttons on TTGO. In this video we'll try to add more enemies and to make game faster and harder. So let's start. In the end this game will look like this. Okay, let's start. So I have now only one enemy and these are coordinates of that enemy. I will need 5 enemies. So I will make array. X coordinate will still be generate random, and Y coordinate I will write it coordinate for each member. So we will have 5 enemies. First will be 24. Second will be 24 minus 27 is minus 3. Next one will be minus 30. Next one will be minus 57, and last will be minus 84. So we have coordinates of 5 enemies, but I still miss X coordinates. For that I will need a for loop for integer e while is less than 5 sorry. Oh, I don't need this because there is only one function in for loop. I will use n. Int n is 0 while n is less than 5, n plus plus. So enemy x n is random 0,5 by 27, and here of course I need to put an first member of array, which is 0. Okay, now I will copy this because I will need this couple more times. So copy, and I will go to draw enemy and I will paste it right here, and each this code I will put in this, I don't know how to call them, brackets. Okay, let's make okay, and of course I will change this to n. but we won't draw a rectangle only. We don't draw these rectangles, these enemies. We won't draw it only if coordinate y is higher than -3. So if I will copy this is greater than -3, it will delete last enemy, it will increment. Sorry, I need increment also here. It will increment y coordinate 27, and it will draw enemy on new position. If not, so I need else. Only thing which will happen is this. So I can copy this. And also in collision, I will again copy this in collision. Now we need to check collision for each enemy. Okay. I think this is it. I'm not sure. Let me check one more time. Okay, let's try to upload this. If you missed first video, link is in description. In description you can find more useful informations and whole code. So now we have more enemies, and we can avoid them. They are generated random, so they will make different shapes on screen. But we still have problem that the game is too slow and easy. I will make it faster and faster. Let's check collision, and game is over. Okay, first thing, in last video I made one error. This t variable which needs to be greater than 1 million needs to be long, and I will make another variable which will be game speed, also long, and this variable will be 1 million. Which with and in loop I need to change this 1 million to game speed. So I hope you learned, you understand this. T is 0. After 1 million cycle, new enemy will be drawn, and t is again 0. If we lower this variable, game will be faster. So with each score increase, game speed is game speed, I don't know, minus 4000. To check game speed, I can also copy this and I can put here game speed, and I will to coordinate 70. I need to move it little to right. Let's try to upload this. So we can see speed is that number is lower and lower, so game will be faster and faster. For example, let's try to in code we will set this number to half, 500s, thousands, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Now it should be faster and more fun to play. You can play with these numbers and balance your game. If you're a pro gamer, you will need very fast game. Okay, this is much faster. And faster with each. Will I make this? Oh, yes. I'm still alive, I can't believe. Faster and faster and faster. And let's die. I'm dead. Game over. Okay, now let's make these squares looks like car. So we will not draw rectangles or squares, we will draw images. Okay, I will open Paint and I will try to draw some cars. So image size needs to be 27 by 27. I need to uncheck this. So 27 by 27. I will zoom it and I will use grid lines. So I don't know, first I will draw blue rectangle. and 10. This is our super speed supercar. This is I don't know, Ferrari, blue Ferrari. Okay, I will save my blue Ferrari, save as bitmap. In music folder I will call it player. So now I have player, which is me. I'm the player. Now we need enemy, so I will rotate this for 180 degrees, and I will paint this red. Why? Because our enemy car is red with purple roof and yellow lights. So I will save it like enemy bitmap. Now I will go to Google Chrome and I will go to this link. You can check description, link will be there. I will choose file, I will go to my music, and I will first try to make player, make file, unsupported file, only PNG, JPEG and GIF. So okay, save as JPEG, enemy JPEG, save as player JPEG. Am I wasting your time? Probably yes. So choose file, I will choose player JPEG, make file, click here to download your file, and I will go to my documents, Arduino, and here is my sketch folder, which is game. I will rename it, no, not rename it, I will change player C to player H. Okay, now I will do the same with enemy JPEG. So I will go make file, I will click here to download, and I'm already in my game folder, so I will change this to enemy H. Okay, now if I go to my Arduino folder game, I have these two here. So I need to do this in code. I need to include player.h and include enemy.h. Here in setup I will add this line, tft set swap bytes true. Oh my god, true. And I will change these fill rectangles with push image, so this will be the same coordinates, size, and here I need to just write enemy image because push image player. And here Here I will leave this because this will delete. So I will just change this line. Push image player. I will copy this and change it here also. Player, and same thing with enemy. Enemy push image. I will copy this. Oh, I don't need to copy this. Okay, let's try to upload this. I'm very excited because our game is finished and I managed to do 5 tutorials how to make this. 3 beginner tutorials and 2 how to make game tutorials. So I'm very proud on myself. I have more confidence in myself. If you can if you are not annoyed by my terrible English, subscribe and we will make more games. So, here they are, our little cars. And they don't even look like cars. But that was not point of this video. Point was to learn how to make something like this. You don't need to draw your cars in Paint. You can always download. You can always steal some picture from internet. Nobody will notice when you resize it to this small, but it will always look better than these. I don't know what is it. Oh, now it's really hard and I'm dead. So thank you for your time. I hope you like this game. I hope you will modify this code. Code is in description, so feel free to make your own version of this. Let me know if you successful in this. Thank you one more time. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to check description, and like always, if you are very happy with today's lessons, you can always buy me a coffee, because I love coffee and I love dollars. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Link is in description.